Coming to the Lauterstein Conway Massage School, a practical approach to understanding, learning, and treating a client with TMJ dysfunction, with your instructor, Tammie Culley.
Hi, I'm Tammie Culley. I'm the instructor for the TMJ dysfunction class here at TLC. And I offer this because a lot of people have some form of dysfunction in the jaw. They cause headaches, toothaches, popping, pain when chewing, lots of other symptoms. I've been approached by colleagues and students and clients about working on their jaw because it hurts or seems to be what's causing other pain or even a migraine. When a well thought out plan can be made for treatment, it's amazing how simple these treatments can be. I invite student and therapists alike to come and get my version of TMJ routine and change your practice.
For more information or registration, go to the link in this post or go to tlcmassageschool.com.